Need to remove Zombie Tsunami from your device? No worries, let me show you how to uninstall it in just a few simple steps. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall Zombie Tsunami. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap and hold the Zombie Tsunami app. Here, tap on App Info option. And on this page, you can see the uninstall option. You simply have to tap on the uninstall option to uninstall Zombie Tsunami. Similarly, the next way is to go to Play Store. In the search bar, type in Zombie Tsunami. Here, click on Zombie Tsunami in order to go to the game's details page. And here you can see the uninstall option. Tap on it. And if you're sure that you want to delete this app, then tap on the uninstall option once again. And that's it, you've successfully uninstalled Zombie Tsunami. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.